The unable to access device settings error has become a common frustration for Google Home users in 2025. This error message appears when you try to manage your smart home devices through the Google Home app. This error typically appears in two main scenarios: when trying to change Wi Fi network settings for your devices, or when attempting to remove disconnected devices from your Google Home app. The Google Home app interface, which normally allows you to control and manage all your smart home devices, becomes frustratingly inaccessible when this error occurs. This issue affects a wide range of Google Nest and home devices, from thermostats and cameras to smart displays and Wi Fi routers, making it difficult to maintain your smart home ecosystem. This error is part of a larger pattern of reliability issues that Google has acknowledged. Many users report that their Google Home and Nest devices have become increasingly buggy and unreliable throughout 2025. Google has officially acknowledged these widespread problems and apologized for the inconvenience. They are working on a long-term solution, but users may need to wait until fall 2025 for substantial improvements. Understanding that this error is part of a system-wide issue can help set expectations. While frustrating, knowing that Google is aware and working on fixes provides some reassurance for affected users. Unfortunately, there's a significant limitation with Google Home devices. There is no direct fix within the Google Home app to change Wi-Fi settings when you encounter the unable to access device settings error. Additionally, Google has a specific policy for disconnected devices. They will automatically be removed from your Google Home app after 60 days, but there is no manual removal option available before that time period expires. Here's the first workaround for Wi-Fi changes. Instead of trying to change settings in the app, configure your new Wi-Fi network to use the same network name and password as your old network. This allows your Google Home devices to connect automatically without any configuration changes. The second workaround is a factory reset, which should be used as a last resort. Look for a reset button on your Google Home device or consult the manufacturer's website for specific instructions. After the reset, you'll need to set up the device again on your new network. Remember to follow these basic troubleshooting steps. Keep your Google Home app updated, restart your devices and router regularly, and ensure all devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. These simple steps can prevent many common issues.